the girls around the world are crazy for you. What do you think why?
How you think so?
Yes, everybody thinks.
And so we arrived to the marriage with Vardin, and we just had a sex after the wedding.
Pero es que no sé quién te ha dicho eso.
Yo creo que mi ilusión y mi ambición por disfrutar de este deporte ha hecho que, bueno, pues que marque tantos goles.
¿Qué piensas es más importante para un jugador para ser normal?
Yo creo que la humildad que él puede tener.
Divas to the dance floor, please.
For example, I have turquoise for you. Why? Because your color of your skin is perfect, a little bit very suntan.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Do you want my phone number?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it off camera later.
Why are you doing this? You know, only nervous people.
I'm so nervous. Look how nervous I am.
What kind of girls do you like?
What kind of girls do I like? With the big blue-green eyes.
Koala.
Do you have some kind of fetish?
Like what? Like what? What's your fetish?
Why are you smiling?
I think the most important is you. You believe in yourself.
And the look, is it important?
Yeah, of course.
And the night, I think, sex, love, and rock and roll. Paris, everybody wants you on every party. Tell me, what is your secret, I mean, to be so desirable?
Just being a good girl.
It's easy, you just need to turn off the TV.
Do you maybe hope that maybe you will make up with Slavica?
Yeah, I hope so. Let's see.
People say I'm a party girl, but really I'm kind of boring.
I've been compared to so many amazing artists, but I think we're still very different.
Do you miss him when he's gone?
I really miss him when he's gone. Yeah, I miss him a lot. We talk on the phone all the time. I always have my mobile with me.
You look really completely the same. Did it ever happen that somebody changed you, that they didn't know who is Dean, who is Dan?
No, we pretty much get it.
And we met yesterday for the first time.
Yeah, Dan and Dean, and we had directly, a special connection.
Every woman should have children, and I think every woman should be independent.
Could you tell for yourself that you are, strong, independent woman, the great
I don't know. I'm independent, yes.
Girls from Finland are blonde. Do you prefer blondes or dark women?
You're asking very personal things here, I'm very surprised,
It always comes down to health, being healthy, and then you can kind of do whatever you want to do.
If you're successful, you're likely to see the best in people anyway, because people are always showing off the best to you.
Why they call you scary? I mean, you're not scary.
Maybe because my voice is loud and I tell people what I think in a nice way, I hope.
Personally, the thing I'm most proud of is my daughter, obviously. I had 6 miscarriages and 2 ectopic pregnancies. So I was told I wouldn't have a child.
The only thing I really truly wish for is that my family is healthy and happy.
Do you know maybe to say something on your language, Montenegrin language or our language?
Molim.
Oh.
Molim.
E per caso qualcuno di loro ha detto che cosa significa il tuo soprannome in lingua croata?
Sinceramente non lo so, non mi ha detto nessuno.
Describe me how would it look your perfect future wife?
Like nice, simple, like, pretty.
Well, don't change nothing, I'm still the same. Yeah, maybe more holds.
She's got me.
Somebody to join you.
Barack Obama.
So I had no choice but to try and really keep myself very, very light.
Yeah, well, very happy, of course, with my career. I couldn't ask for more.
If you believe you're amazing, then everybody else does, I think. It's quite contagious.
What did you feel when you meet her for the first time, the energy?
I was very special, wasn't it?
Oh, I don't think of myself as that at all. That's a compliment.
That's a compliment. Thank you very much, but I don't have that problem.
Voliš me?
Volunteer.
Thank you very much.
You're great.
Just say yes, just say there's nothing holding you back. It's not a test, nor a trick of the mind, only love. 'Cause 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 'cause
When I go out and play now, the funny part is they actually want me to get mad.
Mia moglie mi piace vederla vestita semplice come me.
Yeah, I don't go on roller coasters, even though I probably would have to go if my daughters in a few years will want to go on roller coasters, but
They love slide and some dive, some jump and dives.
It could be really nice experience, you know, to just fly to the universe.
it's a lot of fun traveling the world.
I feel alone in the hotel, so when I stay here hanging around with nothing to do, I go on Twitter and...
Nemam sada vremena za to.
No, la vida privada soy más tranquilo, no?
When was that? Do you remember?
Jedna devojka mi je rekla da izgledam ko vampir.
I got famous when I was about 20.
Everybody can imagine that Bob Sinclair lives with a lot of girls around the world. And
After I lost my virginity, I got interested in the sexual world.
Loving you is killing me when you know it should be thrilling me. Loving you is choking me slowly.
Ich mache Therapie. Psychotherapie.
So Vladimir is not just my brother, Vladimir is my friend.
And I feel safe here in your office.
I don't think you can be afraid when you are with me.
Doing TV shows in China, let's say, it's always interesting.
Was it love at first sight?
Yeah, like from me, yes. For her, no.
My favorite football player is Steven Gerrard. Russians are crazy and Russians, they have no limits. There are something that you can't do. I would love to be in the video of Linkin Park.
Amore. You don't have, for example, some favorite song that you listen every time before you go on the court?
I don't. Usually not.
Do you pray?
Yeah, but of course. Yeah, always. Yes. The first thing I bought was a house.
I saw one interesting tattoo. Can you show it to us?
Which one? What don't kill you, only make you stronger.
Tienes muchos tatuajes. ¿Qué significan?
Yo tengo 3 hijos. Tengo los nombres de mis hijos, de mi familia.
What would you do if you were not a basketball player?
I think I'd be a soccer player.
What they taught me is things that I can't say on TV. So, I can't say it.
Pucaj pala.
Pala je pusica I sve je palo.
My parents were at a Japanese restaurant eating and they saw Kobe beef on the menu and said, well, if we have a son, that'll be a great name. And voila, here I am.
Look, after the game, there's cameras everywhere. I'm pretty used to it.
I couldn't ask for a better son-in-law in the whole world. He asked for my hand in marriage, which most people don't do nowadays. Lamar's just incredibly romantic. He always leaves me notes, sends me flowers. He's just like such a sweet, sweet man.
So if you care about equality for everybody, you also care about equality for yourself.
It's very difficult to judge ourselves, how normal or down-to-earth we are. I think you can do it better than someone else.
Which Hollywood actor would be the perfect to play Vitali Klitsch?
Oh, it's very difficult to find this actor. So big, tall. I think I know one. It's my brother.
Difficult for you the first time when you came out of the club?
Of course, I mean, that was 30 years ago, and back then that was not the thing to do.
Yeah, when I was a kid, especially when the night comes and I had to go to sleep alone, it was a problem for me.
Pričao sam sa majkom I ona, eto, dao sam je jednu novu ideju, novi zadatak da u budućnosti napravi imunsku travu.
I cannot tell you more because he's married and I'm married and I don't want to cause a problem.
Mi generalno, što možda zvuči malo glupavo, volimo da se šalimo na tuđi račun.
People write things that maybe aren't true.
No, I have a very good relationship with a lot of the beautiful girls.
My wife has got me into it, actually.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan now, so.
Dini, Denis Diskera. Hello, my beautiful, my gorgeous boy.
The only job I could find was in a gay club.
I thought you were going to say me.
Oh, but you are. You're not a new muse. You're a favorite muse. You're a good old favorite.
Sexy is no, not necessarily sexy either. Funny is better for me.
Mi piace Croazia. I love Croatia.